If you earn well, then why does the month always run out before your salary does? Most people who feel broke at month end aren't overspending on big things. They are losing money in small, invisible places every single month on autopilot. As a financial advisor, here are the three leaks we see most often when we review someone's bank statement for the first time. Leak number one, the subscription graveyard. OTT platform, apps, gym membership, cloud storage, signed up once, forgotten forever. Average Indian pays for 4 to 6 subscriptions but actively uses 2. That's roughly 1.5 to 2,500 per month or 18 to 30,000 per year, quietly gone. The fix? Once a quarter, screenshot your bank statement and circle every recurring debit. If you can't remember the last time you used it, cancel it. Leak number 2, the small amount trap. Food delivery, cab conveyance fees, impulse sale buys, each one feels too small to matter. 200 to 300 day in small spends is 6,000 to 9,000 per month, which is more than most people's SIPs. The fix? Track every spend under 500 for the last 7 days. Most people are shocked by the total, and that awareness alone cuts it by a third. Leak number 3, credit card minimum due. Paying only the minimum due feels responsible, but it isn't. Credit card interest in India runs 36 to 45% per year on rolled over balance. A 50,000 balance paying only minimums can take years to clear and cost more than the original purchase. The fix? Treat credit card bills like rent, pay in full every time. If you can't, that's the first debt you need to attack before investing. Add it up. These 3 leaks alone can cost 2 to 3 lakhs a year. That's potentially a full year's SIP sitting in plain sight. None of these fixes means no Swiggy, no subscription, no upgrades. It means knowing where your money goes, so the spending that happens is a choice, not a leak.